Hey there, this is Lynda Cromar, and I wanted to share with you a thought that would probably be a really good idea as we start to truly build our list of different things that we can do right away to help other people. I'm going to do this right as I'm talking about it because I need to do it for myself in particular, and that is, um, let's see, where do I want to put it? Okay, right under here would be a good idea. So I have this word program, and you can do it anywhere you're comfortable, of course. But this kind of helps me, and I'm going to actually create my PLS demos list right here. And this is going to be just all the lists of the different people that are, different groups of capture pages and different things that I can share with other people regardless of what company they're in. So I'm going to first go over to here to the websites and to the ones I already have or the ones that I know I have. And for instance, I just did this one the other day. So let me see if that one is still working. It is. So I made this one. It's for Herbalife. So I'm going to copy that one and I'm going to put it in here, and I'm going to actually put what it's for, capture, and then I'm going to put space so that it'll go in there. And one thing that Word does that's kind of nice is that just by hitting the enter, it automatically hyperlinks that. And what's nice about that is you could actually go and control click to go into that link to the website if you wanted to do that. Or you can copy these there. And that's mainly why I'm going to do this, is having another place where they are, so that even if for whatever reason I couldn't get into PLS for a moment, I would have that handy to me. So I've got that one copied, and I also have a few others. Uh, this is really supposed to be Juice Plus, and I gave it the wrong name, but I think I did it right on the link. So let me make sure I did. That one needs to be finished, so I'll go back to that one. And then we have a capture page for Extreme Green. So let's go and check that one. Yes, that one works. So I'm going to copy that, and I'm going to bring it over to my Word document. Extreme Green capture. Now, why would I go to all this trouble to create these links this way? Is because, for one thing, we're not going to repeat over and over again all of the different ones that we need. We don't have to have 5 copies of the same kind of company capture pages, and it would be a good idea to actually separate these from any of our other pages that might be in connection with these companies, so that way they know what we have. If you have more than one for each company, you can put them together, and that way you know what you've got. And that's just a real quick thing that I wanted to share today.